Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and this is Sai Rental Vlogs. I hope you all are doing fine. So today's topic will be how to write a prescription and how to make your prescription. So many people while making the prescription, it's a very simple and easy thing, but still it was requested by few people, so I am making this video. So see, prescription pad is first of all is the only thing which will show your abilities outside. How? Because that is the only thing, that is the only record the patient will be having of your treatment plan, your medicines, your whatever it is, your phone number, your everything. So that is a very important thing which I feel, and prescription pad is a picture of your entire clinic. Okay, so this is my prescription pad. So first of all, you can see here. First of all, there is a clinic logo which is in the side, which is present here. So here I have written a very beautiful logo, Perfect 32 Dental Clinic, and here it's my name and my wife's name, and below that there is a consultation hours, and whatever address is there I have written here. So this is the pattern. So as you can see from the shadow, there is a logo of some tooth here, and below that there is some instruction which is written in Udiya. So this is actually about the after extraction. I have given the instructions. So this is the thing, this is a very simple prescription pad, and there is no such gimmick in it. You should not make a prescription pad with a lot of colors and here blue, red, so that looks very bad actually basically. तो वैसे prescription pad इतना कोई देखता नहीं है, लेकिन still it's very simple, neat. So whenever you write prescription, first of all here you have to write the patient's name, then date is very important, name, age, date. Then after that you have to, after writing the name, you have to write the chief complaint of the patient. A chief complaint, patient complains of pain in the right lower back tooth region, and after writing that you have to, on one side you can write all the dental findings whatever the patient is having, right? So what I have prescribed here, I have prescribed RX. Number one is Augmentin 625 mg 10 tablets. Okay, what I have written here, BD into 5 days, twice daily into 5 days after food. So second medicine is a painkiller, and third medicine is a gastritis medicine. So it's not like that I have written the gastritis medicine from the very beginning. The primary essential medicine should be written at the first, very first. And here it's a place for the examination. So on examination, suppose there is tender on percussion in any tooth like 3646. So you have to write dental caries with tender on percussion in particular tooth. Then you have to write the diagnosis. Then this is the way you should write. Okay, it should be very neat and clean. It should not be like haphazard and all like. So this is not my handwriting actually. It's my intern's handwriting. So I already keep many already written, like 5-6 prescriptions, so the time doesn't get wasted when the patients do come at the clinic. So this is for basically a normal prescription for tooth pain, and here all the instructions in your local language wherever you stay. If you stay in Tamil Nadu or Kerala, Karnataka or Andhra, so in your local language you can write here whatever the tooth after tooth extraction instructions, because patient does, they do see, okay, there is some in the local language, if it is written they do see like, okay, something is written, though they will see, okay, after extraction this is has to be done. So no need of calling the doctor. So sometimes patients do call at midnight or at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. They'll ask you questions like, shall we brush our teeth? What shall we eat? So instead of answering those questions over the phone, you can already write all these things in a prescription, and this will be easy and handy for them. On the back side of the prescription, you should keep it empty. You should keep a place where you can write the payments of the patient, whatever by given by them. So the patient is paying you 1000 rupees, so you can write the date and what date the patient is giving what payment. And you can also write what and all work has been done. Suppose you prepare the canal access opening done and working length is itna. So you can write all those things on the back side of the prescription. Now coming to the paper of the prescription, see, this is bond paper which I am using. So you should not use any A4 size sheet and all, because that you should use a good quality sheet, and logo is must if you can give, and it should not be too fancy, because if it's too fancy, like, it doesn't look good. It's my choice. Maybe you people or someone else they do like fancy things. So this is the type of prescription which I use in my clinic, And along with that, you can keep a place, you can make a software also. Many softwares are available in the market. Prescription softwares, basically it's available with Just Dial, and it's also available with some online doctor apps and Librate and all. So there what we do, if we do the software, you just have to, so my computer is placed there, and in this table where I'm sitting, so I usually work on my laptop, and I don't want a lot of things to be placed in my desk. Already so many things are there. So if I put one more desktop, so I have to put CPU and all those batteries. So that's the thing. I don't like. I write prescriptions. I like writing it. I think it's saves time. So that also you can use if there is somebody is there to operate it, computer. So this is the thing which I wanted to show you guys today. So I hope you like this. Please do like this video, and please subscribe to this channel, and you can join me as a channel member as well, in which you will get special perks, special videos for all my members. So till then, take care, have a very good day, bye bye, and do follow me on Instagram, sai_dental. If you have any queries, you can also message me in Instagram. I do message, but I reply late. सबको पता है, मैं जल्दी मैसेज नहीं कर पाता because of my busy schedule. So till then, have a very good day, take care.